You want to show your new pet, your new parents, how you're going to help them read the newspaper? I've seen it sitting beside the chair. Here. Here. Quit that. Come here. Here, Sarah. Sarah, come here. Come here, Sarah. Show them how you read the newspaper. Show them how you read the newspaper. No, not the camera. The newspaper. The newspaper. There you go. Yeah, we love to read the classifieds. Oh, yeah. There's a nice job for me. Help Dad and Jane? Yeah, that will be extremely helpful. Maybe the kitty will help. Come here, puppy Sarah. 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 Come here. You want to read the classifieds? Oh, that's fun classifieds. Oh, found a job. See, they've already... the floor. So we've already read the coupons. Sarah. Sarah. Hey, Sarah. Maybe you get a good deal on a shredder. Sarah. Okay. Say bye-bye.